Day 3.
Final battle, day 1. We're at the track in Wisconsin. Hello, Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
We're all alright! We're all alright! Hello, Wisconsin!
Alright, we're going to get wristbands, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wristbands.
Got our wristbands. We're gonna go see if we can check in early to the hotel. If not, we're just gonna grab food. Back in the van, looking for food.
We're LFFing.
We're LF.
Hello? Hello? What's in the golden egg, Charlie?
Ask me what I want. I don't even know.
Somebody said that had laying around in their junk drawer in their house.
It's gonna take way longer to send the video. What are you doing?
For the people that don't know, like RJ, this is diner lemonade. When you have no money and you want a lemonade, you get water with lemons and you put sugar in there and it's lemonade.
Had to run back to the hotel to grab jackets and drop my leftovers. We got the goods. And just like that, we are back at the track. What is this?
I don't even know.
The style competition.
But there ain't no competition.
Booth is all set up. Now what are we doing?
Closing her up.
Closing her up for tomorrow and then just chilling. What'd you guys get in style points?
I think 10s out of 10s all around.
First place only. Hey, you guys should look for the helmet for the culture. I don't know where it is.
Do you know where we're going? Kind of just following everyone. So apparently we're going to Walmart and then tacos.
We're having tacos at Walmart.
More tacos than Walmart.
Alright, I guess we're getting tacos before Walmart. We'll switcheroo real quick. Also for snacks for the track. Back at the hotel from Walmart, we're gonna go in the pool.
Pool's good.
Next stop.
Bowling, motherfucker.
RJ, you ready to get your ass kicked? Who went bowling, guys? Not RJ.
Not you.
Yeah, I got second. Day 4.
What the
We're at the farm inn.
Farm in. Get it? We're farming at the farm inn.
I can leave it up in the window. So we're on our way to the track. I will see you guys when we get there.
Stuff. We're probably gonna do a collab with them. So
Show the back, show the back.
Gotta move your hair. Gotta move your hair. Yeah.
You guys are looking at the person whose phone I'm going to be using to record half this event because RJ's got to use my hotspot. They got no Wi-Fi here.
No Wi-Fi, no service, no bitch.
But yeah, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of cars. As you can hear in the background, there's a lot of drifting going on. So I definitely want to catch some of that. Stay tuned. To the Prince. Back at the booth, making profits.
Yeah, which is actually kind of hard.
All right, what's up?
we are going to do the track. We got set free. We're gonna go watch Front Street kill it. He was number one.
It's like not blowing up anymore.
Good luck, Tom!
Hey, do good. Here comes Front Street out of Staten Island.
Tell them the bad news.
Second place, not a big deal.
First place in our hearts.
It's always next year. The mirror's sick. Wait, when are we playing, Steve? Yo! It's just 3 of them?
Packing up the booth for the night. See you guys tomorrow morning. Final bout is over. Well, for us, we're going to the fair the rest of the night. We'll look at the other animals in a bit. We're gonna get food. Never mind, there's another animal. So we're not moving to Wisconsin. Hey, that's my uncle. No, I'm kidding. They just won me a giant chicken nugget. We saw the animals and I'm very depressed after finding out where they're going. Don't want to talk about it or I'm gonna start crying. But we're gonna ride the rides. We're zipping real good.
Let me, baby.
How do you feel?
Yeah. I saw some kid walking out of here in handcuffs. That was cool. His shirt was all right.
How do we rate the zipper?
Nauseous.
Same. There's apparently a band here. Back to the hotel. We're going to bed.
I'm going to work.
Okay, old man. Good morning to you. We're going to Vegas. No, I'm kidding. We're going home. I have to check. Quick.
Anybody want a banana?
I'm actually going to take one. We're going farming. After we eat breakfast, we're going to head to the track for the day. All right, well, I didn't get anything because I ate a banana.
And I guarantee in 3 hours, I'm so hungry.
Anyways, look at this cute Miata. Max car. Good morning,
Over
guys.
the back, I can't open.
Hi, Austin. That's a sick shirt. Where'd you get it? Quick promo, real quick.
Stupid person, I know.
And we're back. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to leave my phone in the booth again for the hotspot. So most likely gonna use Shorty's phone again. We're gonna run to the store. Y'all want anything? Back at the track. So hot. The clears too.
Alright, see you later.
You think you or Josh is gonna win?
I don't know. We'll see. He might be too horny. I'm just chilling.
Marcus probably is going out over there because anytime the bumper goes under the front wheel,
Gonna watch them drifting, see what they got for food, maybe get some food.
that was pretty nice.
Hot. Hot.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot. Phone definitely did not eat first.
Okay, YouTube, we are back. We just got ice cream. We said goodbye to everybody at the event that we know and met new friends right at the end.
We got some stickers too.
Yes, and you got recognized for your videos. And I
Yes.
did too, kind of. Shout out Dylan
Shout out
from
Dylan.
Wisconsin. I think that was your name. If I'm wrong, comment down below. Let me
Thank you,
know.
Dylan. We're gonna be spending the next 18 hours in the car. That's how I'm celebrating my 24th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Exciting. I'm gonna end on this note, and yeah, Shorty, take it away.
That concludes Final Bout 6. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.